Got some EMP pocket clips. Here the second one. Flared mag welds. I don't know if they're flared, but pretty sure it's flared mag welds. Here are the black ones. This the thing though. When you order this, it's plus for this one is +5 on the 40 cal. The mass driver compensator goes on your barrel. Look. Then you want to put a stream light and a grip on there. Then end up looking like this. Put a compensator on there. We already had the stream light on there. Then we put a EMP on there. There you go. Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it.
Forever is the strangest thing.
Scoot back a little bit and play with this.